Hello everyone, please join me and today you will see how to crochet cute flowers in 3D crochet. For work I will use 1.4 mm crochet hook and a ball of 100% mercerized cotton yarn. You can choose any kind of yarn and any crochet hook. Let's crochet the flower. I will begin from the foundation ring. For this make chain of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and join the chain in the round by making a slip stitch into the first chain stitch. The foundation ring is ready. Let's crochet the first round. It is going to be a round of single crochet stitches. For this make a chain, make 12 single crochet stitches into the ring. 1, 2. While making my stitches I remove a long piece of yarn. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I have done 12 single crochet, and to complete this round I skip the first stitch, insert the hook into the first stitch, make a slip stitch. Let's crochet the second round. Make chain of 3 to bring up the yarn for the second round. Instead of first double crochet, then chain of 3 for the chain space. 1, 2, 3. Yarn over the hook. I skip the first stitch, insert the hook into the second stitch, make double crochet. Continue. 1, 2, 3. Yarn over the hook, skip the first stitch, insert the hook into the second stitch, make double crochet. Keep working this way till the end of this round. Let's complete round 2. I skip the 2 stitches, insert the hook into the third stitch, make slip stitch. Let's crochet round 3. It is going to be a round of petals. Make chain of 5 for the chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Turn the work to the back side. Insert the hook into the stitch, make a slip stitch, make a chain, and turn the work. Work into the chain space. It is going to be a chain space for the petal. Make single crochet, then half double crochet, then double crochet, then 2 treble crochet, 1 and 2. And make double treble crochet stitch into the same chain space. Then chain of 3 for the picot and work with the 2 loops of the tall stitch. Make single crochet. My picot with single crochet is ready. Continue. Yarn over the hook 3 times. Make double treble crochet stitch. Then 2 treble crochet. One and 2. Then double crochet. half double crochet and single crochet. Here what I have at this point, this is the upper part of the petal. I continue working, so I will crochet 3D trim. Firstly, I will work with chains, then with stitches. Work with the chain space, make single crochet. Continue, make half double crochet and 3 double crochet in a row. 1, 2 and 3. Turn the work. Insert the hook into the top. Make a slip stitch. My first petal is ready. Here how it looks when you are done. This is the 3D petal. Let's continue working on the next one. Make chain of 5 for the chain space. Turn the work to the back side. Insert the hook into the top. Make a slip stitch. Make a chain. Turn the work. Make single crochet, half double crochet, make double crochet, 2 treble crochet and 1 double treble crochet stitch into the same chain space. Continue, then chain of 3 for the picot and make single crochet and the second half. Make double treble crochet stitch, then 2 double crochet, then 2 treble crochet, 1 and 2. Continue, then double crochet, half double crochet and single crochet. The upper part of the second petal is ready. Here how it looks. I just need to continue. I will work with 3D trim in the bottom part. Make single crochet, half double crochet and make 3 double crochet. 1, 2 and 3. Turn the work. Insert the hook into the top, make a slip stitch. Let's stop and look what I have done. I am done 2 petals. I'm making my petals in 3D style. As you know, I like 3D style. Keep working in this way till the end of this round. I have done 5 of them. Let's crochet the chain space for the last petal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then turn the work. Insert the hook into the stitch. Insert the hook into the first chain stitch that I did a slip stitch into. Make a slip stitch. Make a chain. Turn the work. Make single crochet, half double crochet, double crochet and so on till you will get the whole petal. Then you should crochet 3D trim in the bottom part. Then I will show you how to complete it. Once I have done the last petal, insert the hook into the first stitch, make a slip stitch. To secure the yarn, we're making a chain, and that's it. My cute flower is ready. My amazing flower consists of 6 petals. To turn the flower to the back side and remove the yarn along the stitches, and also you could add a bead to the center of the flower. Here what I have at this point, I remind you my flower consists of 6 petals, each petal made in 3D style. You can use 2 colors. I used 1 color of yarn. All additional information about the tools could be found in the description of each video tutorial. Don't forget about it. Please write comment below this video what you will get with me. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye!